Introducing the portable 5 per drop electric stock brick machine. Designed for efficiency and durability, this machine uses a powerful 0.75 kilowatts motor, ensuring the fastest compression and the strongest bricks. We're using plaster sand here just for demonstration purposes, but for the strongest results, you should use the correct mix: 4 wheelbarrows of river sand to 1 bag of cement. Now, let's pour the plaster sand mix into the mold and get started. Next, we place the stamper onto the mold and switch on the electric motor. In just 10 seconds, the compression process is complete and your bricks are ready. With electric compression, you save time and effort compared to manual machines. At TL Store, we're here to help you make bricks one brick at a time.